Hey, what's up? This is Louis for Vilmac Center. We just got started on Beaska. We're going for 220 kilometers. Weather is beautiful. It's fucking cold. Sorry for swear words, but it's fucking cold. But all is good. Good start. Dogs looks happy and focused. Let's see how it goes. We just had a little stop now. The dogs ate a snack. Some ate meat, some dry food. Yeah, we stopped 10 minutes? And I guess we go for another lap of 20 kilometers, 25. Yeah. All right. Woo. Oh. Alright, so night is falling. We've been sledding for, I guess, 5 hours now. And it's going really good. Alright, so here's my team. And maybe you can spot what is wrong. Okay, I have my lead dog. She's running on the side, but she likes to do that. She likes to run on the right side. She's called Venstre, which means left. Figure it out. But no, what I'm pointing out is a dog called Shaq. Hello, Shaq. Yes, that's you I'm talking about. You saw her turning around. She has not been pulling that much from the start. So, yes, this is Tove's dogs, the owner of the company, Vilmac Center. So when I'll make my report, I will say that Shaq had a really nice ballad, but she's not the hardest working employee of this little company. This little cute company. Alright, I'll put my phone down because I'm freezing. Bye-bye. Okay, so this is checkpoint number 1. We slept 6 hours. And I don't know how cold it is, but it's really cold. Just check this out. I have like this tube. I was thinking I'll squeeze this into my mouth. I know it's not very appetizing, but it's completely frozen. There's no way I get it out. Look at this glove. It looks like there's a hand in there. So, I'm here with Helene and Torkil.
Look at this, the team's really past there. Want to help?
Oh, Benjo. Hello. Oh, little Benjo. Hey, dude, are you peeing now? You Benjo. Alright, we're collecting straw. And then we're going back. I think this race has a reputation of being, like from what I've heard, like difficult in January, so color night is pretty strong, but also there's nothing around. Like all I've been seeing for the past 3 hours is this environment. Okay, yes, it's 4:30 in the morning. We had our biggest break of the entire race. We stopped for a total of about 5 hours, so we took care of the dogs, fed them, then we went to sleep an hour and a half, woke up, and then woke the dog up. I gave 2 dogs away. Shaq, who hasn't been really pulling from the start, and Lassie, one of our young puppies, who looked pretty tired at this point. And my little soul, who's losing a bit interest in the race right now, so next checkpoint she will join her sister for some well-deserved sleep. We're crossing a lot more teams now because the checkpoints are closer to each other. I'm a bit behind Helene and Torkil because I had issues with my light and my team is a tiny bit slower. Things got a bit sketchy over the past 30 minutes. There's a storm that raised and I'm on my last light and we don't expect daylight for 2 hours. And on top of that, I lost the bag that I borrowed from my boss. And I've been speaking with mushers. Hopefully I can find it in 5-10 minutes. They spotted the bag on the tracks. But dogs are doing well. Worst case scenario, I'll just have to buy this bag again. And you can see that the dogs, they can actually manage with the moonlight. It's just not fantastic. Hey son! Hello. That's it for you. You've been running so good. Yo. Oh, you're so tired, my little girl. Good. Okay, so we just left the last checkpoint. Well, we cannot see it. And I'm gonna go get some sleep now. Maybe 30 minutes, maybe an hour. Oh! Allez! and then and then we go again for the last 30 kilometers, something like that. So, okay, up, yip. It's so beautiful now, very enjoyable. What you're seeing behind me is Arctic clouds, stratospheric clouds. Oh. Okay, up. Come on. Hey. Okay, yep. Det var godt. Det var godt, hunde. Jeg er stratospheric. It's absolutely stunning, but this is quite a difficult moment now. We've been going forever away from the finish line. Sorry. And my dogs look tired and slow. And we still have to go all the way back, at least 2 hours. So let's see how it goes. I really hope we turn around soon. This is... I was thinking before that part that I didn't struggle that much during the race, mentally. But this one, fuck. This one is heavy. Yeah, we'll make it through. But it's gonna be difficult, but we'll make it through. yeah, so last message from me because my phone battery is running out. I'm arrived in 10-15 kilometers, 1 hour maybe, and yeah, I've been riding alone for a while now, and I've learned from this adventure that I'm a social being. As much as I love being by myself, it's nice to see people once in a while. But I really enjoyed it. It was a mind-blowing experience. The dogs are just... I have no problem with sleeping like 30 minutes in the night and staying up in the cold, but seeing the dogs like give that much, and they don't even know why we're doing this. I think the part that gets me is that if we told them this is just for fun, they would probably still do it just to make us happy. That's how amazing they are. Yeah. All right, I'm punching out. See you guys later.